All right, question number 1, we're evaluating, we're just substituting. So if you think of it this way, I'm taking this number here and I'm replacing it with that number. So I have 5x minus 2. Let's try that again. So I'm taking this number, x equals 4, and I'm putting it over here into this x value. So I have 5x minus 2. In class, instead of writing x, we're writing what number? What number? 4. Thank you. Okay, order of operations says to use which number first? Should I subtract or should I multiply? Multiply. 5 times 4 is what? 20, and 20 minus 2 is 18. Raise your hand if you got 18 if you did question number 1. Good job. Question number 2. 3x squared plus 4x minus 1. So every x value is now going to become 5. Do you see that there? So I'm going to change each of these x values to be 5. 3 times yesterday's lesson, we learned that substitution should be what symbol? Talk to your partner, 3 seconds. What's the symbol I'm looking for? A lot of you guys forget this. What am I going to put there? What does P stand for in PEMDAS? Parentheses. Yeah. What's the number I'm putting there, class? 5? So I'm copying everything from above. And instead of writing x, we're writing 5. Okay. Order of operations. Should I multiply or do exponents? And class, what does 5 squared mean? This is not good. Yes, you are right. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is? 25. So 3 times 25. What do you do here? Which gives us? 75. What? No, here. 20 minus 1. Okay, now you can do yours. 3/4 is 75 plus 20 minus 1. Your answer is 94. Raise your hand if you got 94 if you did question number 2. All right, question number 3. What do we got? 2x plus 4 times the square root of x. Every x value is 16, so I'm going to put in 16 here. Class, tell me what's right. Tell me. Speak. Talk. All of you. 2. Oh, I forgot my highlight. Good job, you. Okay, what do I write here? 16 plus 4 times the square root of 16. Okay. Now, the square root is, if you're thinking about like PEMDAS, just think of it as like a multiplication. So I can go, because there's multiplication right here. You see that? No plus or minus. That was the lesson we learned previously. So I could do 2 times 16, which is 32. The square root of 16 is 4. You could put that in your calculator. There's 16 boxes. Can I fit it in here? Does that make sense? And then there's 4 this way and there's 4 this way. So this is 4 squared equals 16. Or, pay attention, the square root of 16 is 4. And then you have multiplication here. So 4 times 4 is 16, and 32 plus 16 is 48. Raise your hand if you got 48. Good job. All right, last one. Scary the Knott's Berry Farm, Not Scary Farm. Fractions. I'm gonna dress up as a fraction this year. Okay, so 2 minus t squared. T squared? I wrote my t capital so you don't get confused with a plus sign. And every t value we're gonna write, what are we writing? 1/2. So t minus 1/2 in parentheses, just did that in red. Squared. Partner B tell partner A, what does it mean when something's squared? What does that mean? What math operations? Class, what math operation? Class, what math operation? Is it 1/2 plus 1/2?
No.
So what is it?
1/2 times
1/2 times 1/2. Okay? And basically, when you multiply fractions, you multiply across. So that would give you what? 1 times 1? 1. And 2 times 2? 4. So this is becoming 1/4. Sorry, that is not really great. Let's see if I can. So we just keep going. So now I have 2 minus 1/4. I'm gonna be really mad. Don't do it. No! I have not figured out the ghost of the iPad. It erased all my whack. Sorry, I'm recording a video right now. What did we have in our last line? Let's see. Can I do undo? I can't even do undo. I'm really mad. It's recorded. So let's go back. We said T2 minus 1/4? Okay, partner A tell partner B, how do you make 2 a fraction? I heard it from here. You just put it over 1. All right, take a look. This is a 4, so we eventually need to make this number a? What number do we have to make it? A 4. Well, how do I make it a 4? I have to multiply by a number here. Does anybody know what number? Yeah, 4 over 4. Now, how can I do this mathematically? Can I just go to the bank and say, hey, multiply my bank account by times 4? No. But I can go to the bank and say, hey, multiply my bank account times 1. Does it change? It doesn't. Let's see what happens. Class, multiply across. Class, multiply across. 4 times 2. 4 times 1. There you go. Now are the denominators the same? Do we have a common denominator? We do. So now you can do something like this. 8 minus 1 over 4. And class, 8 minus 1 is? So our answer is 7/4.
We can simplify it now.
Okay, so someone asked, can we simplify? You're thinking of a decimal, or are you thinking about a proper fraction?
A proper fraction.
You can make it a proper fraction. Let's do that. Class, 4 goes into 7 how many times? Once. What is your remainder? 3. So your answer would be 1 3/4. I don't mind 7/4, but number sense, if I said you have 7/4 dollars, you have between how many whole dollars? $1 and $2. Because 1 3/4, 1.75. Okay? All right.